Your experience is valuable, but your CV doesn't always convey it. Whether you're applying for your first job or your next big role, your CV should tell your story, not just your job tasks. Are you fresh out of school, not knowing how to create a CV without work experience? You've done the work, but your CV just lists tasks, not the value you've added. You've built a career, led teams, and made a real impact, but your CV doesn't reflect that. With our AI Virtual CV Builder, your experience gets the spotlight it deserves, no matter your level. Get guided through simple prompts to build a new CV quickly. If you have an existing CV, upload it and let our AI Career Virtual Assistant rewrite your experience with structure and clarity. Select a modern, professional template that recruiters and applicant tracking systems ATS can easily read. Then download your CV in Word or PDF format and confidently apply for jobs. This time, your CV doesn't just list your work, it tells your story and showcases your values. Try our AI Virtual CV Builder today.